Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're at the Huck's World, and today we got a freebie for you all to check out. You don't want to miss out on this one. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're at the Huck's World, and today we got an awesome watch face to check out by my man AL Freedom, and this guy gets down on some watch faces, and today there's some watch faces of his that are free for the taking that are worth the download. Now this one is called AL05A Mimimalist. It's a premium watch face, worth the download. It's analog at its best, very colorful. Now you're gonna get 12 colors, 24 themes in all. It's worth the download. You don't get no step counts or anything like that. This is for when you're going out on the town or when you're gonna be dressing up super casual. Not bad at all. Let's check it out. Now you get your date over here. Of course, you got a nice ticking second hand. The name of the watch face down at the bottom. Double tap, and you can change to the different colors and themes of the watch face. I thought this was very nice. I thought the developer definitely got down on this one. He's been on the channel before. Listen, go download this watch face right away while it's still free. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And also let me know if you're gonna go download this watch face or not. And I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.